Hi. So we are
How are you?
say hello.
Hi.
Hi. So I don't even know where to start. So I went to SMR to buy a new fridge because our fridge is kind of old. But and also to try this gimbal camera, but none of the footage were useful. I don't know. It could be the SD that I'm using. Most of the time it's having a hard time reading the speed, so it's saying low speed SD card. I'll try to get a higher speed SD card. I'm using the Extreme Pro SanDisk. Apparently that's what they say, that it's suitable or the best card for this device, but it's not working. Still slow speed. So I got it from Lazada. I don't even know if it's legit. So sometimes it's working, like right now it's working, but most of the time it doesn't. I thought that it was about the firmware, so I updated the firmware just now. So this is the latest firmware that I'm using. I don't even know if there was any changes because I haven't actually uploaded the videos, the raw files to my laptop and start editing it. So this is really the first time that I'm using it, and later on I'll go ahead and try to check some of the videos that was captured. But yeah, it's good for B-roll. I think I'm gonna go ahead and play with it a little bit more and definitely get a SD card. I don't know, the SD card that I've got for this one is on sale in Lazada. I haven't actually checked if it's legit. I don't know how to. But yeah, most of the time it's not working. Sometimes it does work, but that's like 2 out of 10 recording, right? So yeah, let me know if the video quality is good and the sound quality is good. I'll go ahead and try to record more videos and upload more and play with it. See where this camera will take me. Like the face tracking. But it doesn't do that when you're moving around too much. If you're holding the camera in your selfie stick or even in your hand, I guess you have to like hold it in a certain way, and try avoiding an angle where your face gets distorted. Also, it could be because I was wearing a mask and the eyes is the only, I think, facial recognition cameras trying to read. So it could be that one. Hopefully there is an update that would come out that it can capture you even if you're wearing a mask and do face tracking. That would be helpful, especially now, right? If you go out and do your vlog and you're wearing a mask, it doesn't lock on your face, it doesn't do face tracking. Yeah, it could be also the reason why it's losing me in the frame a while ago. So yeah, I'll post a video, but none of them were useful. So I just go ahead and stop recording while I was find a canvas for a fridge. By the way, the fridge will be delivered Tuesday. Pretty awesome. And it's about time to replace that old fridge that we have. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so we are in Aura. And thousand. Not too fast, not too fast. Oh, cool. think 12 months na.
Sure?
12 months.
12 months na 21 na yun.
Anong pinaka rito? Energy efficient?
Sa ilang cubic feet, sir?
What do you mean cubic?
Sa laki po.
Sa laki. For 3 persons lang.
Ito, pwede na ito, sir.
Ito?
7 pesos, 0.97% per lang.
LG. Ano pa?
Ito. 8 cubic feet. Si Panasonic, 21,190.
Cash to? Walang
Pwede installment, sir. 21,199. 12 months to pay.
Same.
Pero pag inash mo, 19,700 pesos.
19.
How are you?
Say hello to Jay.
Hi. Hello. Hello. Musta? Musta ka? Love you. Katabi ko si Pogi, oh. Oh, di ba? Kumusta ka na dyan? Ingat ka lagi.
Say bye.
Say bye. Bye-bye. Love you.